Welcome to today's video where we'll explore the steps to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. If you've been wondering how to generate income online by promoting products you love, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your niche. Select an industry or area you're passionate about. By focusing on a specific niche, you'll establish yourself as an expert and attract the right audience. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Look for reputable programs that align with your chosen niche. Consider commission rates, product quality, support, and payment terms. Remember, partnering with the right companies is crucial to your success. Step 3. Build your website, blog. Create a professional online platform to showcase your content and promote affiliate products. Your website should be visually appealing, user-friendly, and provide value to your audience. Step 4. Produce compelling content. Regularly publish engaging content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media content, ensure it's relevant, informative, and persuasive. Step 5. Drive traffic to your website. Utilize various marketing strategies to attract visitors. Focus on search engine optimization, social media marketing, email campaigns, paid advertising, and collaborations with influencers in your niche. Step 6. Build an email list. Offer a valuable free resource or newsletter to collect email addresses. This allows you to establish direct communication with your audience, nurture relationships, and promote affiliate products effectively. Step 7. Select and promote products. Choose high-quality products or services that resonate with your audience. Be authentic and genuinely believe in what you promote. Craft compelling product reviews, comparisons, or exclusive deals to encourage conversions. Step 8. Track and analyze results. Use tracking tools to measure clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze the data to identify successful strategies, optimize your campaigns, and make data-driven decisions for better results. Step 9. Build relationships. Engage with your audience through comments, social media, and email. Collaborate with influencers and businesses in your niche to expand your reach. Building strong relationships will help you grow and succeed. Step 10. Stay updated and adapt. The affiliate marketing landscape evolves constantly. Stay informed about industry trends, new products, and consumer behaviors. Continuously refine your strategies, adapt to changes, and embrace new opportunities. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to become a successful affiliate marketer. Remember, it takes time, dedication, and perseverance. So, get out there, take action, and make your mark in the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.